Hello students. Now we will talk about major problems in exporting. First one is failure of markets in accepting the products. The product may not be accepted in the foreign markets. Most of countries prefer the products manufactured in their own enterprise in the country. Second one is problem of distances. Many a time international trade involves very long distances covering thousands of kilometers. तो डिस्टेंस प्रॉब्लम रहेगी. Another one is high cost of transport. Long distances create another problem of proper and quick transport and communications, both of which involve considerable delay as well as cost. कि तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रॉब्लम तो होगी, कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉब्लम भी होती है. तो इस करके इसी वजह से डिलेज हो जाते हैं, जिससे कि इनडायरेक्टली ओवरऑल कॉस्ट बढ़ जाती है. द कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर इन एक्सपोर्ट ट्रेड. Fourth one is exchange rate instability. Exchange rate, clear? Exchange rate, we have read about exchange rate in last class. The fluctuations in exchange rates may decrease or eliminate profits or even result in losses. Exchange rate instable रहते हैं. Next one is political instability. High inflation, high indebtedness, mass unemployment in countries lead to highly unstable governments that expose foreign firms to the risk of nationalization, limited profits, self-liquidation, and so on. ओके, तो पॉलिटिकली भी इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं और पॉलिटिक्स को अफेक्ट भी करते हैं द एक्सपोर्ट टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज टैरिफ्स एंड अदर कमर्शियल ऑब्स्टिकल्स. टैरिफ इज द ड्यूटी which is imposed on a commodity when it crosses the national boundaries. टैरिफ टर्म को याद कर लो, ये कई बार छोटे क्वेश्चंस में पूछा जा सकता है कि व्हाट इज़ टैरिफ. तो इट इज़ अ ड्यूटी विच इज़ imposed on a commodity when it crosses the national boundaries. Clear? Nowadays, most of the governments charge high tariffs against imports in order to protect their own industries. Next one is cultural diversity. Customs, and traditions, as well as racial and religious diversities, also constitute the main problem in exporting. They are due to differences in civilization. तो कल्चरली भी बहुत मैटर करते हैं सिचुएशंस कंडीशंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज टेक्नोलॉजिकल पायरेसी. This is also a big problem in exporting. Those companies which are well settled in other countries are always worried regarding stealing of its technique of production, especially in the fields of machinery, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and chemical industries. Next one is market information. Finding information on foreign markets is unquestionably more difficult and time consuming as compared to domestic market. In less developed countries, market information may be unavailable. Next one is heavy documentation. The number of documents required in export business is very high as compared to domestic sales, which also create problems in exporting. Next one is currencies, weights and measures, marketing methods. Every country has its own currency, weights and measures, and may also follow its own marketing methods. These further create problems in the settlement of account or dues in export trade. Next one is foreign trade quotations. In export trade, we have a number of typical quotations such as FOB, that is freight on board. ये टर्म्स जो हैं हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर्स में पढ़ेंगे. These are FOB, FAS, CIF, C&F, etc. तो फॉरेन ट्रेड कोटेशंस की जब हम बात करते हैं, फॉरेन इन्वॉइसेस आर वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. इन्वॉइसेस क्लियर है जर्नल लेजर में, फर्स्ट ईयर में अकाउंट्स में यू हैव रेड दैट. And give a lot of additional information. Clear? ओके अभी इनके नोट्स बनाने हैं. ये जो सारे फीचर्स हमने करे हैं, पॉइंट्स हमने करे हैं, ये पूछा जाएगा, टेस्ट होगा. थैंक यू.